When I make rice with sausage, there's nothing left in the pot. Let's start by adding a little olive oil, 1 kilogram of pre-cooked sausage, and let it fry a bit. Tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a hug in the next video. Now I'm going to add an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a chopped tomato. You can add other ingredients you like. Now I will add the main ingredient, which is 3 cups of rice. Next, let's season with salt, paprika, and black pepper. Before continuing with the recipe, let's fry a little more. And just add water to cover all the rice. Now let's cover the pot and let it cook until the water is almost completely evaporated. To give our recipe a special touch, let's add a few tablespoons of cream cheese and mozzarella cheese. Let me know if you already knew this recipe and if you'll make it at home too. Even people who don't like sausage love this recipe. With a perfect balance of ingredients that can please all palates, this recipe is perfect for impressing your guests. Thank you very much for watching up to this point, and see you next time.